In order to swipe for pop-up view or floating window on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all we need to go to settings. In settings, scroll down and choose advanced features, go to multi-window, and here we have swipe for pop-up view. We can tap on this switch on the right side in order to enable that gesture. You can also tap on the name of the option itself in order to find the instruction how to do this, as well as increase the range of the area of the top corner area actually. So in order to trigger the pop-up view or the floating window, we need to grab from the top right corner towards the middle like so. And this is how we can use the pop-up view. We can also grab from the corner again and drag it outside to expand it or make it smaller. Tap on this blue line over here at the top of the window in order to find additional options, like for instance go back to the full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.